In this video, we're going to go over how to multiply fractions. Multiplying fractions is actually pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. When you add or subtract fractions, you got to go through all these steps to make sure you have denominators that are exactly the same. With multiplying fractions, that isn't necessary. You simply multiply the numerators together, multiply denominators together, and simplify if needed. Let's go over these steps with a few examples. Take the example of 1/3 times 3/4. First, multiply our numerators together. 1 times 3 is 3. Next, we multiply denominators together, and 3 times 4 is 12. The result is 3/12, which can be simplified down to 1/4. Next example, 4/5 times 6. The first thing you got to do here is put our whole number of 6 into fraction form. 6 becomes 6/1. Just like the previous example, we multiply straight across. 4 times 6 is 24, and 5 times 1 is 5. 24/5 is the result. To convert this to a mixed number, we would divide 24 by 5. We know 5 goes into 24 a total of 4 times, with a remainder of 4. So the mixed number is 4 4/5. Last example, take 7/3 times 5/4. I just want to show you that multiplying straight across applies not only to proper fractions, but improper fractions also. We multiply 7 times 5 and we get 35. 3 times 4 and we get 12. 35/12 can be converted to a mixed number as 12 goes into 35 2 times with a remainder of 11. 2 11/12 is our mixed number. As you can see, multiplying fractions is really straightforward. If you want some more practice on these, be sure to check out my knowledge check video where I give you 4 problems to work through on your own that you can check against my answers. For more math tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're looking for more help on math topics, check out my site at improvemath.com. You can also follow me on TikTok at improvemath1. Thanks so much for watching.